Welcome to our love temple, Spring Splash, here in Arrabida, in this beautiful nature park. What is a love temple? Well, first of all, I'm gonna guide you into some practices, the workshop part. So in this part, we connect with each other, we dance, we learn how to offer and to give and receive different ways of touch and to feel into your body what you like to receive in touch, and also to state your boundaries, what you don't like. So while practicing your own boundaries, we're creating a field of trust with each other. So we know how to play safe, to feel safe together. And from the safety, we can explore our sensuality, our creativity, and our playfulness together. So then we have also a part here at the pool where we can have a splash into the water, where we can have a potluck together to create a community feeling. And then we have a free flow here at the pool with good weather, and if it's raining, inside the house, cozy at the fireplace. And in this free flow, we can really listen to ourselves, what we would like to explore. So we have different areas of senses area to explore all your senses, being blindfolded and smelling and sensing, teasing each other's. And we can always dance to express ourselves and to fully be connected with each other. Also, we can massage each other to really feel in your body what you would like to receive and touch and how that can nurture you. And yes, if we want to explore a little bit of Eros, we can dance our Eros. We can explore and have fun together, and exploring also our sensual energy and Eros energy. And if we feel like we just want to nurture, to be hugged and embraced, we have cuddling. This is a platonic cuddling, so you just lay down together, relax together, and empty yourself into nothingness. So all these possibilities we can explore together in a field of trust with like-minded people like you, and with people who would like to dive a bit deeper into their own explorations of their body, of their senses, and also to explore their own boundaries. So welcome to our love temple here in Arrabida. Spring Splash! Love temple in Arrabida!